Welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. I'm going quickly to check yesterday videos on New York session that we uploaded on the analysis on gold and GJ, and then we're gonna see what happened yesterday and whether was our analysis good or not. Come back inside the range to tap again. So here we were on gold. I was anticipating a quick push up and then come back down to retest the low of the range because we had this clean traffic to the left hand side. We have a closure above and then we start breaking the highs. If we have a closure above and break the highs, I was anticipating a move up to 1976, which is 100 pip range, which we can take potentially advantage of that. So what we can do at the moment is we can let an alert on the break of the highs and let an alert on the break of the lows here, and yeah, that's about it. You see the momentum, so I don't. Let's quickly check if volume coming to break these highs, but yeah, we have. So let's go ahead. Yeah, price was around here when yesterday when we did this analysis. So just as anticipated, price came and pushed up here. Let's go on 30 minutes because it can be clearer. Yeah, price came back, pushed up here, came close below, and then with the break of the lows here, we tapped this resistance level without never retesting, without never breaking these highs again. And yeah, then we found support again, so we just bounced back up in the range. So yeah, then we tapped again one more time this top of the range here, and today on pre-London session we closed bearish. We break these lows. At support we had clean traffic, we just mirrored to the left hand side, and then we retested one more time this liquidity area where price just found some sort of support and bounced back up. But now this hourly candle has no wick at the top, so I'm not sure price can continue more to the upside, but we are still in the range and we are testing 3-4 times the top of the range, 3-4 times the bottom of the range. So now it's quite tricky. But let's see from a monthly, because we didn't check monthlies like this. Okay, indecision. Weekly has found some sort of support. Daily yesterday closed bullish, which today we didn't break the daily lows. If we break the daily highs, we have anticipation to go to 1980s. 4 hour, however, closed bearish with this huge liquidity week on the like mirroring this. So I would either prefer a break to the upside or a break to the downside. I would not take any risk inside the range anymore. If we go to a 2 hour, yeah, 2 hour has no wick at the top. Usually in these type of scenarios, let's go to 30 minutes. Usually in these type of scenarios, I would wait just for resistance on 30 minutes. Like for example, if this 30 minutes and next 7 minutes closes bearish, I would sell to retest this low would make sense right over here. But this is not something that is highly I don't know. It's usually that's what I would do, but because we are bouncing so many times inside this big range here, I'm not very confident for that particular setup. And obviously we need still 7 more minutes to confirm because price can just push above here and then invalidate everything about this, because I would want price came back, made the low, come back, form resistance, just like here. Price came back, formed form resistance here, retested. Form resistance here, retested. Form resistance here, retested. But we need this resistance confirmation around this level. And yeah, let's go to GJ. Yeah. What I would do, buys above here make sense, but they are risky, but they make sense. Buys above here till here, but what I am anticipating today is for price to come up, form resistance either here, here, or whatever it form resistance, break resistance, and as soon as it breaks the resistance to come up and retest this low, this new low that price made already. So GJ happened exactly that. price was at this point right over here, breaking here. So I said that buys above here made sense with this, even though we closed kind of bearish, but there was so small retracement already, and we had all this clean traffic, which I was anticipating come and form a resistance here. So as you can see, price confirmed resistance with this candle, with this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and then as soon as we start breaking this, because this whole region here was a resistance formation, we never broke the lows here. We broke it here, which was tricky a bit because could have easily triggered, but it's 5 p.m. so low volume times, or 11 a.m. In New York. And as soon as we break here, price just retested the low, just as we anticipated here. We form resistance in these levels, break the lows here, and then we break to the downside. So I'm quite happy for the analysis, and I wanted to show you guys this so you can get some sort of validation from these analysis, because they're not just there just for bullshit, but they work. And yeah, let's see now GJ for today. This video is gonna be quite long, so hopefully people will not mind it. But weekly is still bearish in between the previous week highs and lows, so nothing confirmed yet. Daily yesterday closed bearish like this, but today we already clean up the wick the wick that we had from yesterday. So unless we have break below here, it's going to be hard to take sells. Buys above here still. From a daily perspective, 4 hour has no wick at the top, just like gold. So no, just like 30 minute or 1 hour in gold. Yeah, like 1 hour in gold. So let's see. Technically, we need the confirmation for the resistance here somewhere to retest this low again, because price is just making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, equal lows, lower highs. So as soon as we don't break this level, we can still come up and retest this level one more time. But as you can see, this level of support is very, very strong, and as it was very strong on the resistance, so it needs something to happen for it to break. But as of now, we need to be very cautious for these sells. But if we have some clean confirmation and high volume time, we can again take sells. But if we have a break above, come back, retest, and then break the highs, then we can take the buys, or break above, come back, close below, break the lows, then we can take the sells. That's what I'm looking for. And below here is very tricky because you have support very closely and there's not enough ranges. So these are the only two setups that I'm looking for. Resistance here to retest the low. Three setups: break of the high to continue, break of the high, come back inside the range to retest the low. So these are the three setups on GJ that I'm looking for. Hopefully this video, guys, will be helpful for you, and sorry for being a bit longer, but I just want to explain the yesterday's analysis. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel to support these videos. Bye bye.